Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. So I watched this video by Chris the Butcher and Friends, and he was making a coffee and pepper marinated ribeye, which he pan-seared, and I thought that looks really good. But then I thought, if I'm going to make that, I'm going to do it a little bit different. I need to practice my sous vide skills, so I contacted Daryl over at Fire and Water Cooking and asked him if a temperature of 131 Fahrenheit, 55 Celsius for 2.5 hours should be enough for 2-inch ribeye, and he said sure, that should be fine. So that's what I'm gonna do. But first off, I'm gonna show you how I prepared the meat, and I'm gonna do that now. And here I'm back, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put this in this sous vide machine. Okay, so I've got this slow cooker sous vide machine that can do both kind of thing. I brought it up to temp. It's 55 Celsius at the moment, and I've let these ribeyes, they've been marinating about 36 hours. So I'm just gonna put them in here. The lid is gonna keep them in place anyway, because I want water to be everywhere. So these have been lying in room temperature for about half an hour. Lid on and start. So 2.5 hours, and in the meantime I'm just going to prepare and get the grill warm, and I'll meet you out there. Okay, so as you saw, it's been 2.5 hours. Time to pat these dry and bring them out to the grill to sear them. So this is what it looked like. I'm going to drain the juices from this and then wipe them down, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. These are quite large, actually, or very large. I'm going to see. I'm just going to put them on here. Pretty hot. I think I'm going to do 2 at a time. I'm gonna give this a cut. I'm very curious as to see how this looks. It's pink. Looks like it came out quite nicely, I must say. Well, I'm gonna cut up a couple of slices and make a plate, and then I'll bring you back for a taste test. I'm gonna start off with a few potatoes. Straight from the laundry. Need a few slices of the ribeye, something like so. And then we're gonna add a little bit of chanterelle sauce to this, making a mess. That's happened before. There we go. Clean that up, take a picture, and then it's time for a taste test. Okay, there we go. Some coffee and pepper rubbed sous vide ribeye. Thank you, Chris the Butcher and Friends, and Daryl the Fire and Water Smoke. Let's try it. That is probably the best ribeye I've ever had. That's really nice. I have to do that again. But I'm gonna enjoy this first. Thank you for watching. Bye.